Hello, welcome to LeadMaster. In this tutorial, you will learn how to search from the Contact Search page if the field is only available at the record level. When we go to Search, we see that some of the fields in the Search Contacts level are not available in the Search Records level. Today we will find out how to locate all of the bad emails for a particular rep. In Search Records, searching for bad emails is not an option because it is only available at the contact level. On the contact level, we do have that option to search for email is bad, but we are unable to search by reps because reps are only located at the search record level. To perform this search successfully, begin by searching by Account Manager. We start with Account Manager first because it is the largest search between the two. Bad email may pull up a few records, but Account Manager will pull up many more. Let's search for all of Bob Decker's bad emails. Click Search. And here we have Bob Decker's records. Now we need to add something to these records to distinguish them from the contact level. We suggest adding a marketing activity because it is easy to do from this page. Select the companies by clicking Page Options, Select, then Record Options, Advanced, Add Contact Activity. We'll choose Bob Decker's records. Note that marketing status is covered in another video. Let's add this to the records in the search results. Click Submit, and the results have been updated. Now let's go back to Search and search by contacts this time. Select Email is bad, and next to Marketing Activity, select Bob Decker's records. Once both are selected, click Search, and here are the bad emails for the Bob Decker records. This concludes the tutorial on how to search from the Contacts page if the field is only available on the record level. Thanks for watching.